Good day, everyone. Today marks the beginning of something very special in our calendar. The week leading up to Pentecost Sunday. In Pentecost, we don't just remember an event in history. We celebrate the start of a new dispensation. The moment when heaven touched earth, when the Holy Spirit was poured out, and the church was empowered to live boldly for God. This week is more than a countdown. It's an invitation to prepare. In the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 1, after Jesus ascended, the disciples did not rush ahead in their own strength. They waited. They prayed. They gathered in unity. They positioned themselves for what God had promised. And that's what this week is about for us. We are not just approaching Pentecost as spectators. We are approaching it as participants. People who still believe that the Holy Spirit is active, present, and powerful today. Here is the challenge. It is easy to celebrate Pentecost as a past event and miss its present reality. The same Spirit who filled the upper room is the Spirit who wants to fill our lives today, this week, now. So as we begin this week, let it be intentional. Let it be a week of prayer, not routine, but expectation-filled. A week of hunger, a desire for more of God, not less. A week of surrender, making room for the Spirit to lead us. May you ask yourself each day, am I really making space for the Holy Spirit in my life? Or am I just going through the motions? Pentecost did not begin with the Holy Spirit fire. It began with waiting hearts. And often we want the fire without the preparation. This week reminds us that God moves powerfully by His Holy Spirit in and through people who are ready, who are available, and who are expectant. So do not rush through this week. Lean in. Listen more closely. Pray more deeply, expect more boldly. Pentecost is not just something we remember. It's something we are invited to experience again and again. This week is not about counting days. It's about preparing hearts. Let us be found ready. May you have a blessed and a spirit-ful week of Pentecost and Pentecost Sunday.